Walk to the front there, see what we got. Got that there, yeah. Oops. Try and respect people's privacy. Yeah, I may have to overdub some of this because of the bloody works. So, yeah, maybe a bit fun. Yeah, there we go. Quite windy. I got the furry caterpillar on my I got the furry caterpillar on my microphone. Okay, and I got shoes full of sand. And let's see how long it is before they start banging again. Just want to show you what's left of Porthcawl. And I've also got some drone footage, which I think I'll put in the same video. And there we are, listen to that bloody racket. I'm gonna have to do I think I'll do a transcript of what I'm saying here and overdub it afterwards. See what the noise reduction does on this thing. Right, we are gonna go past the noisiest bit. And we're gonna walk back along the noisiest bit. But we got a chip shop open. That's something. The slushies don't look like they're working on it. Is it open? It is open. Nice. You know, this was a popular holiday destination of my childhood. Now look at it. And they're doing this through the summer when they should be doing it done through the winter. So they're doing this while there's people holidaying. It's quite upsetting. They have got a mobile fun fair there. I think I'll have a quick walk around that. I've done a voice sync, but you're not going to see my face, so there's going to be no lip sync. We're just going to have a look. Just going to have a look. I will be silencing the parts with that bloody great big banging noise. Is this even open at the moment? I don't think it's even open. Let's see if I can get in. I don't think I can. It looks like it's not open. It's open. Can you walk through there? Super Sundays, unlimited wristband. No. No, it's not open. So yeah, that's a fun fair. Yeah. Oh, they got a mirror maze. I can see that, Dodgems. But no, that's not open. I've no idea when it will be open. Probably just the weekends at the moment because it's still in school holidays. So yeah, it's something, I suppose. Nothing special. Okay, I'm going to go quiet now until I get back to where I left the beach. Is he going to stop? Yes. There we go. I'll go quiet now and jump cut to where we left the beach. Okay, this is where we left the beach. Now, this is all gone. But once we get up that ramp, there's some signs of life. Car park here, all closed off. There's a taxi there turning round, that's all fenced off there. But a high tide, which is not owned by the council, they can't close it, it's privately owned. And there's my sons, including the one with the hoodie, Ayatollah. Very windy for the drone, so I've got 5 minutes. That's about it. I'm going to do a walk around the arcade.
Okay. We might go for food.
That's all right. We'll do food in a minute.
Okay.
We'll do food in a minute. I'm just going to walk around the arcade. That's all right. Quick walk around this arcade to show you what arcades are like these days. And yeah, So we got claw machines. And we got You've actually got something you can actually play there, which doesn't give out tokens, which is of all that's in here, I think. Claw machines, little child's ride, ticket machines, claw machines, ticket machines, or some actual games you can ride. Penny shove machines, well, two penny shove machines, ticket machines. Yeah, you get the picture. Oh, they got bandits, not unusual. Rip-off prize machines, games of skill, yeah, right. Okay. More ticket redemption and claws. That's actually a ticket machine. Oh, we got some actual rideable arcade games. This is another ticket machine. Sadly, so is Space Invaders, and it gets very difficult very quickly. It's fun, but it doesn't last long, but it's impossible. Okay, more ticket machines, Crystal Maze style. Knock a gonk. Penny shove is working, yeah. I call them penny shove, they're not penny shove, they're all sorts now. Okay, cafe. Could have food here. Let's have a look. Prize shop for your ticket redemption. Spend about a tenner and get a 50p toy. Yeah, you can tell I'm not a fan of modern arcades. Yeah. There used to be a Nerf gun machine here as well. Which again is fun to play, but it's tickets. Oh, hang on, what have they got? Star Wheel bonuses. Oh yeah, the Nerf machine's gone. I saw it in Treco Bay. Yeah, okay. So that's we'll have a quick look at the market, and then I'm going to put this lot away and just enjoy the rest of the day. Go and get some food. Right, quick look at the market. This isn't going anywhere. This is staying. So yeah. And that's what we got. So I'm going to get you seeing my ugly fizzog before we vanish. More things here. Yeah, these are always worth visiting. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's put this onto here. And yeah. Put that there, right. So there we go. So there we go. That is it's probably going to show me upside down, because that's how I started. So I'm going to have to flip the whole video. But that's good done in post editing, and you won't even notice. So yeah, that's what we got now at Porthcawl. Sad sight of what it used to be. Treco Bay is quite good, gotta be honest. But this area is a shadow. We do have a car park, and it's free, except at weekends. And that's actually my car, the silver one. Yeah, nice. So that's where all this is going soon. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And thank you very much again. I don't know what to end this. Ta-ra now. Okay, so here's that drone footage I was talking about, with some nice background music there. I've linked the mod on the mod archive. It's an Amiga module. This is going to be in the description. So yeah, this is Coney Beach. This is the beach itself, which is lovely, and this is why I like coming up. I'm having my time off at this time of the year. So this is the other part of Coney Beach, and I'm getting wind warnings because I got about 15 mile an hour winds, which is right on the limit of this drone. It still manages to move around, but it's right on the limit of this little drone's capabilities. So it was moaning at me all the time, so I tried to keep it at an altitude where it wasn't moaning quite so much. But this is the fairground. This is what's left of the fairground. And as you can see, not a lot. The only things left there is the litter bins. Sad times, sad times. So the building you see to the bottom right there, that's an old arcade. And the Dolphin Cafe, which I believe closed last year. So yeah, car park over there. You can see at the top right, all closed off, can't get in there anymore. All these attractions, there's another arcade there in the centre of the screen, gone. The shops at the top of the screen, top left, gift shops and candy floss and all that lot. Then you got the concert hall where you used to have shows on, all gone. Porthcawl Pier, that's still there. You can see the workmen there making all that bloody noise. And this is still there. The High Tide Cafe, the Harbour Lights Cafe and the High Tide Arcade and the market are still there. They're privately owned and they're going nowhere. And they're proud to show off and say, we're not going anywhere. Right, there's me. Hey, quick wave. Got the graffiti on the wall there. Lovely stuff. Can't leave anything alone. Ah. Push, push. Tractors making nice marks in the sand. I'd love to go a bit further on here, but with the wind is complaining all the time. So I'm just going to let you listen to the music, and I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes until it's over. Enjoy. Little bit of extra commentary here. You can see the fairground there in the centre of the screen. That's a temporary fairground which is going to be set up every year. Okay, time to come home. Time to come home. Come back to Papa. There we go. It is trying to return home on its own. It's not going to make the exact place. So come on. Down into my hand. Down into my hand. There we go. There we go. Nice one. Okay, thank you for watching, everybody. Catch you soon. And bye-bye for now.